Hi my gardening angels, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Jess, and today is a really exciting video because we are going to be doing an update that all of you have been waiting for when I propagated every single plant in my house. Now, truly, I only have good updates on my succulents. The other plants, I'm trying to think, we can go look at them, but I don't think I've noticed too much difference in them from when I took them as cuttings. For whatever reason, I feel like my succulents have been doing much better than my houseplants for propagating and growth, which normally isn't the case because succulents grow so slow. But anyway, we're going to go look at the grow shelf. Maybe I'll do a separate houseplant update later when there's a little bit more going on. But if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss that update, and let's jump into it. Okay, so first off, this is an ogre ears, and you can start to see the little babies that are coming out of the center. And I don't think this is new, but over here you can see all of these little pieces, these little growths are all brand new. So then this is kind of the setup that I had for all of the propagations. So I just kind of threw this tray down with some pumice in it. You can see that there are lots of roots, and let's find some more. There are no babies quite yet, but they are getting there. Pumice isn't necessary for propagating succulents. It's just what I had on hand, and so that is what I used. But it is a very good substrate for succulents. If you are very serious about growing succulents, it probably would be worth to get. They're just these little granules. And I can include a link down below to who I ended up buying mine from. So these are all of the cuttings that we ended up taking. Aren't those amazing? So let's see. If I look at my Lola, there are only a few little roots coming out, but I think it was this one. Oh yeah, look at those roots. Can you see that? Isn't that crazy? Oh yeah. I have not watered this at all. I think it's been a month. There's some good roots too. I think it's been a month, and I'm trying to think. There's a few in there. A few little roots. Yeah, it's been a month. I have not watered. I have not done anything other than just let these dry and set them in this pumice. They are doing phenomenal. Honestly, I don't even know if I've had more success than I am right now with cuttings. So maybe you do want to use pumice. See, and this one doesn't have any yet, which is kind of what I was expecting this far along. But he'll get there. And this one also doesn't have any either. So let's move up to the actual cuttings, and I kind of will show you what's going on up here. This is our Aurora jelly bean. And you can just see the smallest little baby jelly beans that are coming out of there. Where we took cuttings from here, there's tons of little babies forming. This Echeveria lilicina, if I can get it turned around, is also starting to come along. Looks like these leaves are kind of rotted. I just come in and remove these when I see those. But you can see all this is new growth. This topsy-turvy has tons of little babies on it now. This Pearl von Nuremberg, or not Pearl von Nuremberg, Superbum, or Superbum, however you guys want me to call it. But we have a few new little babies there. And here's that succulent that had a million roots attached, but there's two little babies. My Burrow's tail has a little bit. Oh, and the little Jewel has some little babies in there. I can't for the life of me think of what this one's called, but you can see some new leaves under that one. Let's see. Just starting on the Lola, This one's not a Lola, it's like a lipstick, but it's just starting as well. But that Lola's just getting there. Oh, how cute is that little baby? This is my favorite stage, when they're just so small and precious. And there's a little one. There's some little tiny nubs. Some more little baby ogre ears. Oh, this one's fun. Look at these little new leaves here. This is where the cutting was, and then these two are new. And then same with this one. These two are new. Isn't that fun? Oh, the bear paws are my favorite. I have to show you guys these. Look at those tiny little bear paws. Aren't those precious? Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And then it looks like this Lola's actually starting to grow a little bit quicker. But anyhow, I don't think this one's grown anything yet. But it looks like this one has a little bit of baby coming out there. And some new growth on this side. But anyway, isn't that so much fun? And then this is the aloe. Sorry, this is a weird angle, but there's tons of babies growing. Very healthy, doing really good. Isn't that just so much fun? Aren't they just the cutest little new growths you've ever seen? I'm looking at my houseplants and I don't see too many new things going on. So we'll give those a little bit longer. I just love this little stage of succulents growing, because I think when you propagate and you cut off their heads, it really does kind of rejuvenate the plant, if that even makes sense, to be like, oh no, we need to grow new growth, instead of just being really stagnant, which I feel like a lot of succulents can do. So I love propagating succulents, and I am so happy that I went through and pretty much chopped every single one that I had, and because now here we are, and it's great, and there's just going to be so many more succulents now. So stay tuned for that houseplant update. Go ahead and click subscribe if you haven't. If you liked this update, please give the video a big thumbs up, and comment your favorite succulent from this batch down below. All right, I will see you guys in the next one.